It's JJ here. And today we are making s'mores in a microwave.
How to make a s'more in your kitchen. Step 1. You get graham crackers. Okay, so you get the bag, and you take the graham cracker, and you break it in half. And you set that on your plate you have. Then, second step, you get marshmallows, and you set 1 on each graham cracker. Third step, you get your Hershey's bars. Now this is where you just stick the Hershey bar flat on the marshmallow. No, I'm just joking. Okay, next step, you open the Hershey bar. You put 1 little tiny square on it. Okay, now.
Why are you cooking all
Dang.
You just need the marshmallows.
And then you put it in the microwave.
This shit blows up, I swear.
And you cook it for 20 minutes.
Why don't you put it on a cardboard plate while you're at it?
20
minutes? What the?
And then you chill and watch your friend play with fidget spinners for 20 minutes.
Okay, so now that we're almost done, we got 1 second. Okay. So let's see how our stuff's coming along. Okay, we got our marshmallows Oh shoot! Oh shoot! That's on it. Okay, so now that we have our finished product, we're just gonna get the 1 graham cracker and we're gonna scoop the chocolate onto the marshmallow right here. It's gonna be ingenuity of this. And so we're just gonna scoop all of it on. Put it. Oh, that looks so good.
That is disgusting.
It looks amazing. I don't know what you're talking about. So then we're just gonna.
God damn. Oh my god.
Shut up. Okay, now we're gonna try it. Does anyone want to try it?
Eat it.
Okay. So, I'm just gotta let it. Kids, if you're watching, you gotta blow on it. Make sure it's not too hot. Okay. So now we're gonna take a bite, and it's delicious. Just come close. This delicious goodness, doesn't it? Just warming. It's great. Mmm. Mmm.